How to hide comments on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to hide comments on Facebook easily and quick. First thing, go to your Facebook app, choose one of the posts. For example, let's choose this one. Click on comments and here choose one of those. Keep clicking on the comments and here you're gonna find the option number 4, which is the last option. Click on it, which is hide comment, and like you see, this comment has been hide. All you need to do to turn it back, click on unhide comment, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.